So guys, in this video, we are going to talk about how to fix lost connection to host in Warzone. So it's really simple. So to possibly fix the Warzone lost connection error, first you will have to check on the status of the Call of Duty servers. So all you have to do is look for Activision support in your Google browsers and then look in their online services if it is playable right now. So all platforms are online right now, and then you can also check by server status by network. So if you're using Xbox, for example, you must check that out right here, and then it's going to redirect you to the support of Xbox to check if all services are running as usual. So this is mainly the cause if you have lost your connection to your Warzone. So you just must check if there is a loss of server connection. Basically, as you can see, everything's up and running. So when we go back, let's check on PS. And PS seems to be running good also. You have Nintendo right here. So if they have a down server, they will let you know immediately. So right here, there's nothing really. All servers are operating normally. And there you go. So next thing is checking on your own Wi-Fi because that's going to be the second tracking or troubleshooting cause. So you must restart your router. So you can also flush your DNS cache by going to command prompt and then just going ahead and writing ipconfig slash flush DNS. This will flush your DNS cache, and then basically all you have to do is press Windows R, type in CMD, and then type in ipconfig slash flush DNS and then hit enter. So those are the things you can do basically to check if you are online basically or if you have lost connection. These are the fix basically for your Warzone. And there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.